A triple homicide that rocked the city of San Jose, and the suspected shooter in custody and appearing in court for the first time. 27-year-old Joseph Charles Vicencio is accused of shooting and killing his girlfriend Tara Taylor, her roommate Janessa Lurie, and Lurie's boyfriend Max Ryan early Tuesday morning on Chenoweth Avenue. District Attorney Jeff Rosen has charged Vicencio with murder, domestic violence, and being a felon in possession of a gun.
In this horrible and terrible case, the DA's office will do everything in its power to make sure that there is justice, to make sure that this defendant is locked up for the rest of his life so that he cannot hurt anyone else in our community.
Court documents paint a clearer picture of what police say happened leading up to the shooting. Records indicate that Taylor was the victim of domestic violence in the 2 days before the homicide at the townhouse on Chenoweth Avenue where she lived with Lurie and Vicencio. Taylor told officers Vicencio struck her and choked her, and she received a temporary restraining order. Witnesses then told police that Vicencio told them he might be in trouble due to the domestic violence investigation and allegedly said he couldn't have any, quote, loose ends. Max Ryan's colleague at the San Jose Housing Department called the shooting unimaginable.
There's no way to make sense of someone in their 20s being at work on Monday and then being dead on Tuesday. We can't rationalize something like this. And it shouldn't have happened.
Rosen said video footage from the area showed Vicencio going to the residence around the time of the shooting with a distinctive satchel and leaving without the satchel. A witness told police Vicencio was known to carry a gun in that bag. Police say they later recovered the bag and the weapon. Past court records indicate Vicencio had been served with a gun violence restraining order in 2019 after attempted murder charges from shooting into the SJSU library in a parking garage in downtown San Jose. Vicencio received probation despite Rosen's office asking for a 9-year sentence in that felony case because of their level of concern. Family and friends of the victims declined to speak with us after court. Vicencio will be back for his plea hearing on October 24th. In San Jose, Dustin Dorsey, ABC 7 News.